So we got this situation. The equation of tangent to the parabola this, which makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis. Okay, so they have already given you the slope. Okay, so angle is theta, so can I say that slope will be tan theta? Okay, now slope means what? Dy by dx. So can I find dy by dx of this thing? Okay, so we will have what? We will have 2x is equal to 8 dy by dx. Okay, so it will become what? X by 4 equals to dy by dx. Now what is dy by dx? Change in y by change in x. So who is change in y by change in x? Slope, tan theta. So you got tan theta as this. So if this is this thing, so can I say that x is 4 times tan theta? Okay, so you got x coordinate. So now suppose that we are interested in finding y coordinate. Okay, so if I'll substitute value of x over here, don't you think we will get value of y? So it is 16 tan square theta is equal to 8y. So we got y as 2 tan square theta. Okay, so can I say that we got a point P whose x coordinate is 4 tan theta? We got y coordinate as 2 tan square theta, and we got slope as tan theta. Now we have to write down equation of line, correct? So can I write y2 minus y1 2 tan square theta by x2 minus x1 4 tan theta equals to slope tan theta. Now can I go for cross multiplication? So y minus 2 tan square theta is equal to x tan theta minus 4 tan square theta. Is that okay? Now can I ask this tan square theta to go that side? So we will have y equals to x tan theta, and it will become minus 2 tan square theta. Okay, now look at this. Like in the option they have given it in different way, means in terms of tan and cot they have given. Okay, so what I am trying to do, I will divide both side by tan theta. Okay, so it is y cot theta is equal to x minus 2 tan theta. Okay, so can I write x equals y cot theta plus 2 tan theta? So in option they have given this kind of situation. It all depend upon manipulation, like, or else we can stop here. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.